plus 1.6 added if you're in New York City, minus 502 if you're in Chicago. And again, if it was Dallas, those last two terms would just drop off because they would both be zeros. 1.6 times 0, and Chicago would be 0 as well. So here's some notes on dummy variables. The statistical applications are going to handle this automatically for you. So we won't have to create ones and zeros, and we might not have to create our individual fields. But it's a good idea to know how this is done, and you might want to do it. The number of dummy variables needed is always one less than the number of levels in a categorical variable. So if our categorical variable is gender, male, female, the number of dummy variables we need is 1 because there are 2 levels. Assume if we had a variable called risk, the levels are high, medium, and low, the number of dummy variables we need is 2 because the levels are 3. And if we had an age bracket of 18 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 plus, we have 5 levels, so therefore we would need 4 dummy variables. The dummy-coded variable that is missing is always considered the reference category or control, and it does not matter which one we use as the reference.